Emma pedifobia no mo fi ho mo ko obi dia. Ene no ware no ntimu nya mo ko ye kuna.
Papa mpacho me wasem ka wasem yi ho. Okay, se Lumba nua no. For sisi ye ko ware no. Men ka for sisi asem obesa be kan wa chiri. Brempongmaa so se ya nko ware no. Enti o me no o pesa wo de o pe na wadi atumi o ana me boa.
Aha, nti pacho so so de open na so ditu mana pacho me boa. Pacho so de o so open na so ditu.
Me so maji. First investigation, first interview no. Obi bisa me say my friend is saying odobro nya ye ne ho ade. O se court akase ye ne ho ade. Me ne ho akase ye ne ho ade. O se wonim ne say. O se first interview eda ho. First say I me de me bra ne yare ye no e na me call ho me kwa na me hu so na me bra no ne me bra na wo me kwa na kwa no kura susa. First interview no it is there. You say why ye no ho ade and why na why o se court say ya why me ho akase ye nware no. O say it's who or double no we say no ho ade. O say me de me tama me bra yare ye no. E na me kwa na bra yare 2012. No ko double ne ware 2010. The one in 2010 and na first call 2012. No say me de me call ye no 2012 na me call ye na me ko hu no. First 2012 am me call ye no and na me ko hu no na wa no ne na wo na nkra no skra sa. Enti first na o say ye ne ho ade 2010 no ko obi no. O say ne bra yare 2012 no ko hu odobro ni. No kwa no hu.
Ma me pacho wanka so ko obi o pacho. Interview bi na o ka so ko.
Na so say no wo
Me bacho da bi. Me say on the catch abuza. Bacho on the catch abuza penny say. Ye ware no. Bacho on the offer. William. Yes. Dabi o say abuza penny ka say for still abuza monyi bo po omo call ho no. Ono de so omo awu. Na for say odim say ye ware odobro ni. But for still anka say wako wedding ni bi.
Okay, but I mean
say ware no.
This you know what can say. Na ye can how close will be here. As ye change topic. Na ye can how close will be here to daddy. And I will be say papa she obi beside I'm saying yawa.
But me na busai.
Oh okay, obi beside say papa she say yes Brempongmaa na nimu no dia. Na na papa she no so no. I didn't think no kasa say onimu number. Me de metimi aka wo ho ne say papa she no. Da bia ba bi okono you can say wo si oye kasamafo ma Brempongmaa ene mama Akosua nti di oka bia ne mean say from Brempongmaa na say mama Akosua ho
okay na ma me pacho me pacho me bo bra pacho me ba bra pacho me ba oh bra me ba me ka bra me ka so ntimi musa me question pacho nya botre asuma me ka me okay pacho koso uri buta
abusa penny say for sisi ya ware no ba new one next one could next will be na catch them so who na catch for sisi ne bra na e ware
me pacho ene uhu abusa penny and uhu fiofo anu abusa wo mo me pacho man kase na me ho me say abusa penny say man kase na me ho wo na wuni ho
dabi otio
obi eni wa no ho
obi ka no obi asem obi statement obi ama
edi bacho Lumba nua penny no ti Lumba nua penny say ya nware ye fan say ya nware odobroni ba no otimi fre odobroni akuma me boa
nti won't be da
oh me pacho brambacho ye wo me pacho tie asantima me wo akuma wonam kwan chen ya dia fa ze wakola de me ware ne friend akuma ma me ne wutimi hu bia kaza akuma me pacho me ba bra me pacho me ba ye wo che bia fa ze wo ba ba bi no hu no na me de agro de bra panyi me hu akola me so oba de ne ho fa me ware na me hu ne oyira me friend akuma ana me fre unu aba na obi a me friend akuma pacho ne wo ho we ye be ma wa ware ya wo sa na oba fofora wo ne ne te na wo friend akuma we nye agro akuma me pacho se me ka so minim so te me chona se we nye agro akuma
ye ka so bia wale obi a ade ne dia dance so bia wale obi
me pacho de dia dance a wo pese wo hu se obi a ware obi se wo no oba trana ne wo nsia na ne ti dan ba for 17 years pacho in Ghana law ware no in American law ware no
anya wale
me pacho won plan ware o so ni asante me won plan ware
Me pacho American
And
law.
about Jonisa, you are Prawayo, but you soon, Mamma
Me pacho your cancer American law wa worry no me pacho me pacho American law no. So we be tuna more than 6 months they consider more as common law partners. Maybe me
okay, meet
but
me
me per se me the American say whereby and pakoni I don't think say ubetimi ama me example American law ni obi a wo your legal wife now when you obi akotena and 6 months near declare the pakro so your abra legal marriage.
Me pacho di ebi ni ase.
Roland me pacho mami answer no. Through court proceedings, you know.
No. I'm stating it clearly. Me question no. Me need Ghana.
Madam. Also illegal wife you be say question tie.
Fa o document say legally ya ware court bisao. Which we provided.
Wouldn't be.
Can I get document one some?
Me pacho o de mami me ya me so me ya. Me pacho me
Obi so illegal wife. Enya court one some ne ka. Illegal wife no ye we. Enya court na ma illegal wife.
Me pacho met me ya sa kasha. Yeah, obi so kasa. Okay. Me dia me ba mu be correct and say o kasa American law. That's why I came in. But the who can say yes if a court is one family. The person bisan say court can say one fabia man as or they buy and you authenticated. Me pacho.
Court actually say a invalid. That means enye
me pacho can't say court court never said
it's court you too mana. Mo am kasa court no you too.
The American say court can and say
na court and you to my invalid. Kasa
the court
I didn't authenticated. I say invalid. I didn't authenticated. That means say any right.
Okay.
Kana kra no court and the antum.
No. That means say any antum enti invalid. Also
invalid.
Ade any antum so kasa invalid.
But mamu musa me pacho offer.
Wo si o sister ti o yanka se wo si da bi yanka ne sa.
Will
question obi say ye who your legal wife you can't say for certificate bra or the buy. That was the question obi say.
Yeah.
Say or the buy say one farmer. Or the bani and to me to say the one farmer.
But court say yeah authenticated to 1G and 2. That's what I said.
Or the bunny and to me to say the one farmer.
Bra William watching me pacho on YouTube because now open so we need attention but maybe more attention. Bra me pacho yeah ben na ma me say what any Lumba warrior or Ghana.
Yeah, they mean yes specific.
The pacho 19 pacho 1991. Me pacho yeah ben na one Chandler me Mr. Chandler or Mr. Chandler. Lumba eba Ghana be ye traditional marriage. Usi wunni me pacho me boa. Sana ka me boa.
Okay,
1891. Me pacho say eh 91 na. Tam bay and only Lumba ever worry ordinance. Ewo Germany.
2004.
2004, okay. So from 91 to 2004, Mama say one worry wine.
No. You know, say no. Was in 91 to 2004 no why.
Mpachai.
Dear Nana no why. No why.
Eti pacha ohu. Ye ba platform yi so na ye
No,
kasa
that's
pacha mo.
what talking about. My memo answer. My mention
Me
why
pacha mama
there.
answer. Me pacha mama answer.
Answer and say Ghana wali no na ye adwuma but abroche no e dia nkrata senti ma me na ye dey e wali broni but na no chese and then you on the first
Bra.
person
Bra.
hold on.
Bra. That be bra nya abotre.
Sometimes no.
Oh, bra nya abotre. Sa bra he. Sa
Wuli
sabo wo kai.
bra wuli
Bra
nya
wuli.
botre yen
Sa
ko
sabo sa sabo me pacha wo kan. Wo be
Ordinance ask me
o pacha me pesa me show bra.
2021.
Me pacha ne ordinance aware no. Ah, wo kan ho asem right? According to system, yes, what worry 2004 me boa.
They say ordinance no e
Oh, me say
ordinance now what can wasem no 2021.
Me pacho ne ordinance aware no. Ah, wo kan ho asem right? According to system, yes, what say yes 2004 me boa.
So the date na ko kan 21 asem.
It me ba. Nya debate sa. Wakasa,
Now
what
too
bisa
many
ma me
pay
asan.
chire mu brai.
Eh,
There be
Why na ye come?
what bisa say dey tram ko kan 91 asem. Ba be shoni dem ko kan 91 asem. Dey time ko fa 91 ba ni say. Say 91 ma me say wakọ ware Lumba wo Ghana. Ekoye amamra. The same time na no why say dem person ka che odo Bronii say ma me say wa ware na ware dey encounter bi mu. That me say ma me say wa sa aware if you ware na court kra de man say oye yere no me pacho me ba me pacho me bra
Mani wie ni yen ko ne mboko enye dede mani wie ni yen ko ne mboko keke
say
why
ma me say wa any Lumba be ware wo Ghana 1991 a me person obi a tia say 1991 no that so ware Bronii no e wo Germany it say ware no be ware wo Ghana ho no it doesn't count it na ye kan kra ma me say wa onya yere until so we prove say or ordinance marriage no certificate no tradition yere kwaro e woni bi
Me say that time no papa na ti.
Metimi aka bibi kakra.
Me ba o sita me ba me say that time no papa na ti ase. Papa na kan chen say ma me na woni na ye eja no ma wale ye dey e da so wo ho. So now asem na ye kan Ghana asem no.
bra me bacho repeat your kind no bacho repeat your kind be what's one can kire one say
Me say that time no ya ma wo mu no e bo mu tem so mo aja wale ye. O mo
na why me bacho hwan why
Nye di ne ma me no.
di ene ma me say wa
Yeah. So now argument you
me bacho two person kire me say ma me say wa ware Lumba no right that time no na who Chandler no ware Chandler na come ma we say no say also want me answer because we be Lumba ba penyin no ni din the Chandler me boa
now wo be ati abroche pa no busa those questions no.
hey sir I don't tell Bishop not to have your own. Me pacho na muso do Bronii nya yire because ya ngware no me pacho
do Bronii asem na wo kan me say 2004 ho asem ye kan say time a one ma me no ene papa ne ya wale e die fa so me
any bra say wo ka 2004 ho asem dia any anyu bia Lumba bomo ama me say wa bia after we che bia no ni nya doesn't count me boa sala person kan
wa je me bi e nam
no sala person wo kan me boa
anya nyu mo asem ye kan say
na me pacho onu say man for you so nyum say wo kan ni nyum kan bi say fa ma me say e tie chese no wa ware no so nim za de ana wo nim de wo
na ko to na nyu mo asem ye kan na
that what's about wo kan baby I would want something na me dey fa kwa ma say say na wo kan dia
Metimi aka bibi kakra. Dia me pesa kan say court no kwa no the legal marriage na koy. Enti so ye o kan say onya yira nka I feel say she will feel better than say yaka say or aware na wo kan say eno no nka wo say agu no. Yeah, the man.
Yes, because how are you?
Yeah. And Tina make us was son will be a so the legal marriage in the court.
And then
It's one court. I didn't in a court.
But traditional warrior and you traditional marriage.
And the other in a court to crown cancel at stage, you know. And no cry a question so much
because one say because but only maybe the what's not coming you know because Ghana for Ghana system here the edge too but say Germany system one say no worry orders me but so say against the law and I wouldn't. He said they would tell my yes. Me but yes. But the prove I want to say to the Bronii.
Roland, me pacho,
Mpacho Debbie.
Me pacho, yenina asam no abegu ha, and no na yenina ye peki bio. Because the omo dia babonte, no be na wa peki awoka.
Mami pacho.
And I didn't so baby go abonte, no be insina me babeka.
Me pacho.
No, yenina we were following the.
Now, Mammy Pacho, me Pacho, we are Busapenny. Mammy Pacho, we are Busapenny.
Minya Busapenny. We are because I said na Babonteno, a bit now picking a woka.
Okay.
And a bit to na mesoma peki, and a meso mekan, Sana me patching.
Okay.
Near Oyan the blood that Oyan Indian. Ye call court, no. Sir Chandler, as we are walking, it appeared. And they asked say onim Chandler more asemna ana. But I didn't respond and any other buy.
Pacho, who catch maybe the meaning to who catch them, Pacho.
Near Oyan Indian say, and no, ye are going to a moon sem.
It in Pacho, Okano, Ghana, for Germany. I will cast asem no.
Hey, but when the law has some court some rats, while Uba I went to a yes, Pacho. I went to Nipa, I went to. I know the man can, Madam.
We are Ghana. Let Monya pretending. No,
Mammy, Mofa, you can't say you, but you said Ghana,
I am running. I am
say Lumba Nsemsem ye. Me bacho say Lumba Nsemsem ye.
Mammy,
and that's what be condemn me will be.
Exactly.
See, send ma the condemn no buy nanka or play fair judgment. It's different.
Because I was playing fair judgment.
Say ni say na nipa na ye bia Lumba so ye bia nya new sana
Bronii
Lumba ye bi maame ni so ye bi da sana bra na ka wo jaji wo bia ye
Abusuafo de nyina atwasia no omo meka se maame na ware o abusuafo na atwasia ne meka se maame na ware
me bacho maame be na bacho o kan
me
bacho maame be na also ye meka so ware
ni bia ni wa yen ya yegu abonten no yen na ye de ya adwene ye se Mammy or Warrini, and a mammy worry, and a mammy or mammy be so mammy be
na okay. What come up Akosua say wasem and I say you for
Mammy Akosua say na ye ken
for what I say. Yeah, now I also know
sometimes
sister Ray baby. Me pacho me musu asem bi. Wo say
Me too.
me pa chon say ma me say wa asem o de court ne say ya ware odo Bronii wo fi o say ware no hi o say ba mra mu a me pa chon to say ba mra mu a ono ne oba Lumba de ne court e ko ware no emrem say wo Germany say wo Ghana say wo Israel say
Exactly.
wo hefa say do court e ko ware bia atwam sana ma me say wa ka say ono ne de na ko mrem akɔ no emra no so enim say do court ne akɔ ware wa efia ware ni nyina atwam ni nyina doesn't work ordinance aware can sin aware bia wo ho no
Yeah.
enu ti ne say maame ni timi di prove ni ba say ampa na court jitum ampa maame wo ne aware no court a odo Bronii aware
Mommy, you are no say, and that is why there's a pending appeal. What you say? It doesn't. Mommy, conclude what happened.
okay
Oh, and anything appeal no egusu wo no say asem na judge ne kan no they are still not satisfied because what the judge said no they based everything on authentication which is meant to be a technicality not the truth. Enti enye say certificate ni ho e wo ho but ekwan na e wo say let me land ekwan e wo say omo fa so e de present ade ne ba no that is what they didn't listen enti no asenche say enu nti na ono no e peace to reveal for peace to prevail enti no or yes say listen because that wasn't the right way. Because the ordinance in the court, they didn't have to rule the judgment based on customary because she didn't go there for customary.
Exactly.
So what you say? Let me land.
I'm not the one talking. The leader is talking.
So the judge was just trying to be fair. Or try say na dream no in her best of knowledge no she was thinking said that is going to bring about peace but what she didn't know they said it was going to be chaos. Now she is not satisfied still now no or jitum say or no pay any legally married wife no that is still waiting for an appeal.
Okay.
But we still studying wedded wife.
Mr. Roland, mama can review.
Me say, mama say.
Me say custom pe enti mo bechi ma
Enti de ma wo. Lumba nua de beka say ye ware mama say wa no.
Adewe no. It's rather unfortunate say Ghana hona yete no. We are just taking this as a joke. As a obia na midiwe na midiwe we just follow blindly. Oh, we don't learn. But I idea can you swear baby frima and can we will know say right from the get-go and never be is wrong. And never be starting from letter if Baba Jamal or buy any idea everything has been wrong.
Mommy,
everything has been wrong.
Did you follow the letters? Have you followed the letter? Letters
of course I have.
But want to send a court letter first.
Listen, mommy. Sure, let me teach you the genesis of everything. Okay. Now, before Mobabeko court, Mami Sewa Eba Ghana, Obaye no she visited a couple of properties on Enikunwo. And while she was on there, no, she was given a warning, and I said, Yebekacha said she's not supposed to be there.
Good.
According to the lawyers, yes. According to the lawyers of the acclaimed Lumba. Lawyers of Lumba, which is Baba Jamal Fono.
Yes.
That is what they sent to Onona One Niku Aye Japadi na let me land.
No. I'm not going because she says Oni Niku or Ni prove bias on Lumba.
Listen, let me land. Only prove and come baby assassin.
Me pacho na, me pacho. Mommy, assassin. Mommy, pacho. Are you ready? Maybe assassin. Your friends, the machine will be
only proof and for Ghana no. And can no number for catching us out of war about assassin so. And come no code no no for catching no.
Me pacho say, me pacho say.
Me say ebusian for the ban ho say awo about assassin so I don't know man for catching.
Me pacho ni be the call no organize awo about assassin.
Now
Me pacho
listen. Sometimes we
Mami pacho meet you, mami.
Me pacho, original platform no small can say me yere Akosua say one. What does that mean?
just say
Oh, mami. On se sase mu pacho ya kan no ka say o me yira Akosua say wa matisika wa o ntimi nkumida.
until Lumba now I can say no o twantra na.
But you say, oh, Debbie, mommy,
yes or no?
Debbie, on chance, I can't. Also, Bronii, and also one as well.
On cast or Bronii,
Lumba. I'm a Lumba. Emma, verse, grammar, the boy. You
didn't hear the question.
Oh, because
people are being too partial.
To me, the Ghana for we are not serious. Serious about what you say. Now, what is America? What is America? Everywhere. Politicians are the same thing. Politicians will be a bunch of politicians. Oh, but you come here. America, China would mommy, you have the beer. Politicians, you be the beer. No, but we are not serious. Lumba was a German citizen. Lumba was a German citizen. Bronii to Kobiao. And ye what and ye criticize to Quano. Mammy said one of Bronii to Kobo. Mammy said one makes them a beer Caribbean tail of Bronii. Or Bronii, beer Caribbean tail, Mammy said one. Me pacho.
Hello, good afternoon. Can I step in for a moment? Good afternoon. Can I step in for a moment?
Good evening.
And I think I stand back and I
Papa, we are going to interview.
Oh, but mammy, why not
Roland, mammy, mammy, Asamba kwa mekanese, Asamba kope mekanese. Se yen fani se obi ye ejapade ye. Na se oye well, na se odija ne lawyers ni ade a. On kwan se obi ko sa asase ne so a obeche ne se look asase we enkoso but o hwe baba Jamal niema o maye na one enye Lumba lawyer for ne omo Lumba enye ne lawyer ene ye baba Jamal mo two.
Opinion on
two.
The opinion on
Mammy, we two. Let our mother buy no. Throw woman say. Mama me Akosua say wa ensi asase no so. Mama obiansi so until say. Beye a year na wie no mache ejapade no no obi anya ne de. Nti say mama Akosua say listen mama wie. Mama Akosua say wa ensi ejapade no so adentina. Odo Bronii tumi call water factory ho. Adentina odo Bronii abusuafo ni betiti Lumba fie. Mame nka wie adentina odo Bronii wo access to ejapade ni bi. Na na yire ba ko ne de na na yire pani ni de oni access to bibia. Why?
Can I step in? Can I step in for a moment? Can I just step in for a moment, please? Be appreciated if I can just get quietly.
Okay,
I'll be appreciated if you're not speaking. You can mute and I can just speak. Is that okay?
Willie, my sister and Kasawai.
Right? Can you guys mute so that if you're not speaking, I'll be appreciated. I just want to say that I heard Mr. Osei was speaking, right?
Yes,
I am not on nobody's side. I just want you guys to bring that up front. I'm not on nobody's side. But what Mr. Osei was speaking, she was trying to say that I think what he was trying to say that if somebody is married in Germany legally, at the same time, how is it possible for Miss Akosua Sewa to also marry to Lumba? It's really impossible. So he's trying to say that let's look at the situation logically. In the best of everything, I think Miss Akosua Sewa actually was really favored in court, in Ghana court, because legally they would say that okay, she couldn't marry to Mr. Schindler and marry to Mr. Lumba at the
2004. Oh, your mistake. Until I say 2004. Germany no more.
Sister Life.
Where did you get that story from?
No, as of 2004. If indeed the woman was married to Schindler, how is it possible that she could have gotten married to Deal? It's not possible. So what are you saying?
Row, but you're the person walking.
No, like in Naya Kosi, like in Naya, so you can't say that.
Row, on say earlier,
Let me come in. Roland Pacho, no. I'm not program interesting. I say interesting. Really hold on, Pacho. So hold on. Okay. So yeah, one after the other. Ubi kasa. Mountain. Meba. Ubi kasa. Mumman di pano. So person obema sere kwan. Oma wo kwan say okay, obetimi ebisa na question na person obema won comment here. No asere kwan one at a time. But I say ubi kasa I say they no do so chain. You know, the yet no.
Thank you so much.
Say nipa ba ko pese ebisa ba cho so person obema no aka chen say person obem. Nipa ne ma wo kwan a na wakasa. Because ebedu obi aso ye no one after nipa ba ko pe ne be kasa. It also so do so o kasa the same to obi person obema na nipa na sere kwan e free ho. So person comment question o person bisa ni ya no asaka. so
That
that
is
I
much
mean,
better. That is so much better. That is much
handle your
better.
person.
Right.
All right. So live,
Thank
can
you
I
so much.
step in and
No,
correct you on
because
something?
I did not even get a chance to finish.
Okay. All
If
right.
I
Go on then.
begin something and somebody step in, and how will you know the conclusion that I'm about to end,
All right.
right?
Go on then. Go on then.
Okay. I'm allowed to speak my mind without
Yeah.
holding back, right?
Yeah.
So all what I'm saying that in the conclusion that I'm about to end,
All right.
right?
Go on then. Go on then.
Okay. I'm allowed to speak my mind. In the midst of everything, we don't know is the one that we are standing on to speak. Even the law did very well because they didn't want to bring a chaos in the community. So if Miss Akosua Sewa, when she went to Ghana court, she specifically said she didn't want Bronii to even to say that she's Lumba's wife or anything like that. She wanted to be the only one. So they asked her for information that they feel like the court, as the result of that, the court could have said, okay, no marriage. But the court turned around and the court said, okay, well, I consider you also as a wife, right? So the court to me did favor Madam Akosua, right? Because we are talking about the ordinance marriage in Germany. The husband, they did not divorce. The husband passed. So there was no divorce in it. So what I'm saying specifically is this: the date that Mr. Osei was speaking and indicated, if the marriage in Germany was just due to because Mr. Schindler was not alive, and if they combine those days together that she married Mr. Lumba, that's going to be questionable, right? So this is just my little piece of it. Number two, Mr. Lumba went on the stage and spoke and said, Meyiri Matisika, the woman that Matisika, I have used money to marriage. That also raised another questions. When you get opportunity to come on stage to speak for somebody that you are together with, you cannot say the woman Mayusika, I have spent money. So obia ye worry, obia ye disikane worry. So we to clear somebody's name. This is the time for you to show this is the woman I love, this is the woman I trust. This is publicized to speak highly of you think of the woman. Mr. Lumba only said three things. She said, the woman I use man, obia disika koye obia hwade. That's all he said. It was to clear maybe some things that people have already said. So the whole thing is very, very it's very fishy. And we just need to be careful the way we judge all of them, because both women, they are all victims. Both women, omo nyina ye human being, omo nyina ye nipa. Enti yentimi share ye ni baako nhwe one side. We need to look at both of them as an individual. It's as a woman. Obie nyane share of sebia arehomo enigiemo omo nyina ye nipa. Enti we need to look at both sides. And everything yentimi nka se baako ye yiri ebia baako so nye. But if you look at like legally, there's a lot of question about Mr. Schindler and the time also Mr. Lumba almost married together. That is just my little piece. So what Mr. Osei is saying, I understand completely what Mr. Osei is saying, logically. Thank you for giving me the chance to speak my little inputs.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
But in as much as you have given your input, yeah. William Pacho, mame, asem one or two be why.
Okay.
In as much as you have given your input, one thing I would want to draw your attention to is one. In 2004, when Mami Akosua Sewa and Lumba got married legally in Germany, we are talking about Germany. You know that if Anka, okay, me switch it. Me switch about you. Sanka existing marriage, legal existing marriage, there's no way they'll be so stupid to go back to the court and say you're court aware. When Schindler no a German citizen, it's not possible. More to me worry me legally ever Germany. It's not possible. It means as at the time legal marriage no Lumba ni mama say one. Schindler's marriage was not holding. What you say? And that is that is where we are starting. We are starting from 2004. They legally got married, no. What you say? Because at the end of the day, Mona Musia say
See,
you
I'm
worry. Let me finish.
about
Roland, Mami Kasenwe.
yeah.
And you know, that is where I would want to debunk what Life said. And two, say Asantini, and I say Asantiama Mremno, and I say even a Kana Mamremno, say Bema Ebejna or Kase, Mejira Matiska Awarena, it is with pride. Who asem na oka no enye say yetiska kwari obia ntino is just a normal saying. No, sabema kasa mejira matiska aware na it means say ohun bibi wo mu na waware enije it is with pride na okasa asem no. So it's not just a mere talk. Enye say bia or kasa keke. No, that's not the situation. That's not it. Wow. And for the judge to have ruled, say, to us, the judge was wrong because nobody brought to court a case based on customary marriage. No, a ordinance near the call. And a judge, no, or no, or per se, or play no, both sides, no, or she, no, or as original neutral grounds. On to me in case certificate now ma mene de buy you know on jin to man I say like on to me in case a certificate on to me in case because Ghana marriage certificate no and Germany there enye pe one Germany no mummy no patcho me and this is here mo sign we are they don't give you sa copy it say Ghana the tintin na o me no nya signature so ni amame ba akona me de kono. That's not how it works. That's and as at 2004 no the family book no and no more you see
Yes.
what you say and you know
Bacho Robi musu asem. Me
Bro,
so musu
na
asem
me
asa
pese
Robi.
me bisiki
Okay.
wa adwen wo kan say ayi omanfa
Bra
wo
bacho
kan
ba
bibi so
enche. E
omanfa
gina so sansa na
traditional
oba bra.
marriage bi anko
yeah
na me pese me bisa say teacher kantanka no why na de ne ba ho e na ade nsunti na omoma ne ba ho
the big teacher can tank at the end of bar no to come and explain say it was explanation no no it wasn't to favor or more it was to address Odobroni's issue. What you say
but
no
unim
tina
say
oni
I don't
lumba
know
tina no like say
but
omuhuni say
bro
and that was what the bar address Odobroni's issue. What you say
but
no
unim
tina
say
oni
I don't
lumba
know
tina no like say
but
omuhuni say
bro
and that was what the bar say bambe explain it. That was it.
but unim say lawyer no so be kasa ye no ba ko be kasa
ɛnɛ sɛ sister wɔyɛ no
So
nti papa no bɛkyerɛ mu amammerɛ kwan so kwan yɛfa so wɔyɛ
obetire
no
mu amama
say yeah say no yamfa traditional marriage never say na ye de baaye what
there
you
be o
say
say enye
sɛ
ho na
lɔya no
But
ɔni
so mommy
enye ho na
clarify and
obetire
kakra.
judge ne de
lɔya
onye
no
o.
ɔni control wɔ judge ne statement ɔbɛmɛki so
You can't say
na
that to
say
the judge.
enye lawyer no na enye judge na ka so omo for teacher kantan
no
kamra
no
Ana
wana
make say
Teacher
teacher
can
can
tank
tank
no.
no.
Omo de
wɔbɛgyina
Omo
ba
de ne
adanse
buy
omo
say
si
on be
aware
wɔbɛgyina
explaining.
odobroni.
me
adanse
pa
gyina
cho
adanse na sɛ judge ne
lawyer
nyanso ka
kisi
n'asɛm
na
a
de teacher baaye
And
o
I make
Minim
say
sa.
omo de ne buy for a purpose, right?
aha
Obetire
and a
nsemu.
lawyer kisi so ankwa enti dia me person me hu ni say lawyer kisi didn't go to the court for traditional
Na
marriage
no no
and
Christy
it's because
Tio
what some
wonte
na
ase
wo
Tio
kano
wonte ase
lawyer
na sɛ
kusi
maame
omo
nkyɛn mu
nyina no
bro maame nkyɛn mu
we been me
came to
pa
the
cho nya
conclusion say
abotre why
me explain that they all came to a conclusion say Odobroni no ye nware no wo fie. Enti no ye pese ye kire se ne ye gi aware wo fie a enna ye kofa ne so on be chirechim nti aware
but
wo fie no
ro
tio
matilda na so
aha
but
nti
me
both
ka
families
say
besia but this is a case whereby Lumba abusuafo no the immediate family are saying say yemfa obi asa mai nti say papa na be chirechire mu say aware ye gi aware ye both families na say family ni say yemfa ne mai a eden na kire say aware what you say
Me pacho Robi, don't get it wrong.
that
Me
is
pacho
what that is
yebo
why the
abusuafo ni
person
biti
was
pacho
there.
mo wu. Me pacho so mo wu. Pacho me get it right.
Try mami ka asem ba ko nche mami bia won se mami bia baba kwa aware a eye anionyam hye eye ahohoho a for the fact say Odobroni immediate family ni mami ni papa ni nua to me amagina adaka nim amfa ne sense ne bo anka se
ya from say witness it no mama ya from say witness
tie anya sa krampo dia witness ma odobroni no ye interview no tie wuti denti a wasi odobroni maami ana ne papa ma interview no say wutie ya wo be hu denti o mama
because me apart from the fact say me a physiotherapist no me a law kakra but just say books ni dos na me to me entina me die look Saturday we on Saturday
obi kwa na amusi odobroni papa no ye nyina ye hwe bi de e ko ka say odobroni kwa papa no den no mo de ya no court wo papa no ka say me ko na ye ka say odobroni papa den no I have nothing against the me dear say the woman is legally married. Say you prove this appeal ni go to ni prove ya that's all. That's a secondary matter. What you say? Because at the end of the day, no on anyone kola, ejapade swan, they will all get their share. What I'm trying to say is something that is due obino. Am I in chinchim ni panis na ono crampa a wiase nyina nim se. Odobroni wan na hu se wan anim adwuma oye.
Oh mama.
But yente she no crampo. Tie udetie yente she crampo no. Yenim how many years Lumba ne yire penny wo de menka se ne yire penny etna ye. And yenim ensem a waka fa maame ne ho. Ene bra o se maame na bre. Ene oma asase a omototo ye ne ebi mu ho a omoto asase ne wo ho a ene omogusu ti ase. And they've come out to testify. Mami abrewa bi ose omo ba ye kra no maame no na yire no ene tu ase kan cash. Ene o ka che ne say Ghana de ye nto ade ntua ne nyina saa o. You know, so if such a person, no, or no now what brand crown, yes, she doesn't deserve anything. Now, the no fee baby buy and any ochinayano. We think that she deserves everything. Why? Why? I know that's me problem. Obianka say, baby no da.
Oh, but no na enko ho no obi ansi.
And yes, on one enko don't say that.
It's
not stupid. The woman is not stupid. The woman is not stupid. Okon one kasa ni fear on any kusi here. And Robert be attacking or how did they know that she was there? What are you saying? Nobody is stupid. Mama no 62 years. Do you think she's stupid? Do you know what she's had? Do you know what she's been through?
For some safety reasons,
exactly. So things are going on. Things are going on.
It was established in court to say. It was established in court to say. Christian Pacho beti Mary kaka. Me Pacho was established in court to say Mame no ba na Tantra Hill not in East Legon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Tantra Hill Honor. One of the places or ma Papa she called Varsity was Uncle Shahona or Munko Sisi Hoban. That's when Papa she call ya who say obi fu 40 ho. And still obi ti hono no. Think up person no so fa na niam akọ ni papa.
She's so much
Papa she call ya who say obi fu 40 ho. And still obi ti hono no. Think up person no so fa na niam akọ ni.
This is a boy,
it's mama, but someone person who says sister rule. My someone na sister life episode children say. Also, who cut and a mama say why the Lumba worry.
Yeah,
ya test our part na say.
Yeah,
but what will be no be or by ye friends if you are worrying.
Listen, no, Emremono, you have a point. But me no me no nyina say me ba broche ebia na me ye
me ba dey ni saba me busa say ekomre mo say e be komre be ko de unim
o de tie me ni ku e efia ware me ni ku
mo di odo bro ni yes
tie
mene me kun ye fia ware but de na mene na ya ware o krom ha no enya mene ne mpo na net what you say enya mene ne mpo na net nti nyame ye madom na afi de mene ni twitwa ma me nya me krata ana me de kofa me kun na me de buy but that doesn't mean say mene na law mo no because say mene na aware ni ti no ye mfa say aban mo na nko wo 6
Christiana na mebua.
Macho mam kasa bi why.
Dia meka ne se ohu. Dia mo ka no. Metiase o. Me ne mi kunu ti ho no na se bia makofa mi kunu chi akọware a. Mi kunu na te ode me kokot na se wa we ya outside na ade me kokot.
But you kunu na so oba betimi do akọ. But oba na be man. Wo committee ni ga be
So daddy amfana anko. So what's your problem?
But and but so but say mama say wa fa daddy anko.
Mami kasa bi
Ono so amfana anko. Ono so amfana anko. Ena ni kunu ewu no say. Oni kunu wu ye no so wonfa obi anko e say wakosi bigami ana meboa.
Madam ya say ewiase ewu no.
So udrum brana ni mu a emra no so be bisa wo. Udrum brana ni emra ni be bisa wo denti a wo so uhye ma wo kunu bigami na wo tena ho no. Emma ni pa ni wu wie ansa na wo beka.
Enko the one by one. Mami ke boy.
Ono ye wasi oba ye no. Tanta ye no. Na ko piesie ho ma no. Ti daddy ye na kra.
Ye ka ne kra. Mama ye ka ne kra se de ne kra city ye. Ye se ye ka ne kra. Bone ye bone papa. Ye se bi edu obi de so a. Ono the explanation ho. Baby odu obi de so a. Explanation ye den ase eni ho. Eye sa we no be fair. Ne kra e ba ko pe. So what pick your side up pick. So pick your side. If you're here to defend. No mom should be defend. But yana mananya say, and I kind of cry, no cranny, but no cranny more can some kind of it here. Mata DH, some kind of cray. That Lumba just stage, every one can say, Matisika. But the bill come a smash up panano. But the video is there. I won't say, Matisika.
Original video no
Mama nenka senwie.
Pacho okasano one can be as a matisika. Why you see the way sika war in the statement. But
original video no ho
original video no dey. But video no
no come send my
original video no is there.
Any day
is there. The okasa what is is there. That's the original video. I'm telling you.
No, come on.